In this video, you'll learn how to write HTML and CSS using the Windsurf application. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create and generate code effectively within the platform. Begin by locating the Windsurf application on your computer. Open the application by double-clicking its icon. Once the application launches, you should see the main interface with various options available for you to choose from. Next, look for the option labeled Agent on the main screen. Click on it to proceed, where you can manage different coding sessions. After that, you will need to find and click on the option that says New Session. This will initiate a fresh coding environment for you to work in. A new window or panel should appear, indicating that you are ready to begin coding. Once this appears, you will notice that a code editor labeled Cascade Code is now accessible. This is where you will write your HTML and CSS code. Now, type in your desired HTML and CSS code within the provided editor. Ensure that your code is structured correctly to avoid any errors in the generation process. This is an essential step as it directly affects the outcome of your project. After completing your code, locate and click on the button labeled Enter. This will submit your code for processing. You may see a brief loading indicator as the application prepares to generate the output based on your input. Finally, wait for Windsurf to generate the output based on your code. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your code. Once the generation is complete, you'll be able to view the results of your work within the application interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.